Good morning. Good morning. I hope everybody's having a good morning, and especially yung mga naka-close over the weekend, that would have been a better morning, no? Yung mga depressed pa din, now you have to change your mindset because market is good, especially for those who are positive. I like this kind of market because maraming yung mga sumusuko, yung mga nalalaglag, yung mga negative, na-eliminate yung competition nyo. Now, when you are positive, when you are active, when you are always updated with what's happening, and that's the reason why we're doing this no, every Monday, para makapag-recharge tayo because the past week is always, every day, we face negativity. Every day, we face rejection. This is the reason why we, at Keller Williams, provide you with this recharging session. Power Monday nga. So, this are recharging. We recharge either by sharing positive thoughts and also positive news. Incidentally, we were supposed to have our guest from either the Department of Tourism or the Philippine Retirement Authority to arm you with more information on how you can really actually take advantage of this. So stand by for the next upcoming sessions. Now, so today, it's 9:09. We're going to rush because I just want to share with you uh, the latest that we've been doing at Habitas since ano to, we don't have any topics today, but very important is to provide you with what is not only the latest opportunity, but the opportunity that really works. And I can bet with you, I can, uh, what's this, confidently say that there are very, 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 very few options in the market that offers this kind of uh, proposition. Aside, of course, from IALs. Now, we are not yet officially selling aggressively and openly selling Habitas. I mean si Hinabi, because the just like all the developers, our LTS is still with Disud, and I don't think any other developers have been getting their LTS now. Of course, I think if you have been reading the papers, you're aware of the major issue with Disud, and Karaba is already uh, was this strongly positioning or strongly appealing to the Disud officials para to be more reasonable. Okay. Anyway, so today I'll be discussing with you the opportunity at Hinabi. Hinabi, which is in La Union, we have not yet officially opened it. However, since we've come up with some teasers and some videos covering the happy birthday, Miss Ming. Oh, advance happy birthday then. Covering the blessing of the showroom that we have there, beautiful showroom, and also the visit of the mayor and the other community heads in the province of La Union, from San Juan to Bawan to Agoo to San Fernando, even from Baguio, who visited the site already. We have been getting a lot of questions and inquiries, and people are visiting the area already. And that's the reason why the agents also from La Union are tapping now their
Ayun, naghahanap si ano,
respective clients.
ay mangyayari pala
So
ng
yeah, okay. Uh, so first, I'd like to share with you two videos. Una is a temporary video that we showed when the LGUs visited the site last Monday, and of course, a if you like this, it's good, but you're going to see a much better video na ano to, mas comprehensive. Number one. Another one is my welcome remarks during the blessing, which encapsulates the thought that came with the thought that brought out the whole idea and the concept of hinabi, no? And then you'll understand why we did this from the type of market, the demographics, the location, the trends now, just drivable leisure, all encapsulated in that 5 minute welcome remark. Okay, so let me share first the hinabi.
Some things are not built overnight. They are shaped with intention, a vision refined over time, rhythm guided by nature, until one day pattern reveals itself. Welcome to Hinabi Reserve, a resort-style seaside luxury residential community where coastal living is elevated into something more. Here, every element is woven with purpose. Sunset, surf, sanctuary, serenity. Not separate experiences, but one seamless way of living. 5 distinct villa experiences, each designed for privacy, each crafted for presence. And for those who seek more, select villas offer private pools, creating spaces that are entirely your own. At the heart of the community, curated lifestyle unfolds. A place where mornings begin with stillness and evenings end in connection. With Nurture Wellness, restoration becomes part of everyday living, a sanctuary within a sanctuary. Spaces designed not just to gather, but to remember. Moments shared, experiences elevated. But beyond the experience is a smarter way to own. Hinabi Reserve is not just a place to stay. It's a place that performs. A private coastal sanctuary that can welcome guests. Surf and lifestyle converge. Accessible, desirable, poised for growth. Some places you visit, some places you own, and a rare few become part of your story. Hinabi Reserve, where every detail is woven with purpose, and every moment holds value. Own your place by the sea. Discover Hinabi Reserve today.
You like that? Nice, no? And uh, thanks, thanks, Malu. Okay, that's just a sample, a teaser. Pag nagpunta kayo dun sa site, you're going to love it. And then, what does Ninawi refers to weaving? Yes. Okay, thanks, Lorna. Yes, as I've told you, this one is just new. And Hinabi itself, yes, it's weaving. If you see the logo, the artwork of Hinabi, it's all about weaving. Thanks for that observation. Now, I'll share with you the opening remarks that I gave, the welcome remarks that I gave during the blessing. So good afternoon, everyone. Today we're not just opening a showroom. We are opening a story about land and a story about vision, and a story about what Philippine real estate can really become when we choose to build with purpose. Yes, right now we are living in a time of uncertainty. You see the headlines: rising fuel prices, global tensions, and shifting markets. Some developers are slowing down, some have paused, even the bigger ones. Some investors are hesitating, but history has taught us something very important. Real estate does not stop, it evolves. And those who understand the shift are the ones who lead the next cycle. Inabi was never meant to be just another beach project. From the very beginning, we asked a different question. Not what can we build here, but what should we preserve here? We have DNR here. That is what we're happy to tell you. Because when you go to San Juan La Union, you do not just see land. You see surfers fixing the waves. You see sunsets that slow down time. And you see something very rare, life in its most natural form. And that is why Hinabi was created. So this project stands on something very powerful. Surfers, turtles, sunsets. Three things you cannot manufacture. Three things you cannot replicate. And in real estate, what cannot be replicated becomes valuable. Today, the smartest investors are no longer just looking for properties. They are looking for experience. They are looking for cash flow. They are looking for assets that perform. Because the truth is, the future of real estate is not just ownership, it is utilization. Hinabi is designed for that kind of future. A place you can enjoy, a place that you can share, and a place that can generate income. To our partners from the local government of La Union and the Department of Tourism, thank you for your trust and support. We recognize that the development is not just about progress, it is about responsibility. We are committed to respecting the natural environment, supporting the local communities, promoting this town within and beyond the borders of the Philippines. And that is our support also and commitment to the Department of Tourism. That will benefit not just investors, but the people of La Union. Because in the end, the best developments are not the biggest ones, but the ones that create lasting value for everyone. For brokers and partners from La Union, Pangasinan, and Baguio, and Ilocos, you are not just selling property here. You are creating a story. And in today's market, stories sell faster than specifications, although we have best of those specs. So when you talk about Hinabi, don't just talk about square meters. You talk about the experience. You talk about the rarity. You talk about the future. And let me say this clearly. While others right now are waiting, we are proudly building. While others are uncertain, we are positioning. Because we believe that opportunities will not disappear in difficult times. They simply shift to those who are ready. And today, this showroom is not just a space. It is an invitation to see what is possible, an invitation to experience something that is different, an invitation to be part of something really meaningful. And years from now, when people look back at this moment, they will not remember the ribbon that we will cut today. They will remember that this was a day we chose to build something that mattered. Inabi is not just a destination, it is a statement that the future of real estate in the Philippines is thoughtful, purposeful, and world class. Thank you, and welcome to Inabi the Third. Okay. Good. I hope you liked it. That summarizes those things from the type of market that we have, the challenges that the real estate is having now, the current uh, suspension of projects of some big developers, but only to shift. They are shifting into recurring income projects. They're shifting to drivable leisure projects. They're shifting to active yielding assets. The thing is that nag-uumpisa pa lang sila. While our projects, medyo nandun na tayo sa meron na tayong tapos and meron pa tayong expansion. So the difference is that they will be building thousands of units in leisure-oriented projects. How can you have leisure when you have thousands of neighbors? Sa atin, we have the ultra low density projects. So, uh, now let me share with you the details of Hinabi. Incidentally, I would just like to remind everyone na this is not for posting, this is not for sharing, this is not for sending out to your clients on what's this? On Facebook or on uh, if you want to present this to your clients, kung meron kayo sa screenshot, just screenshot nyo na lang and then you can show it to them. But not for sharing, not for posting. We've warned some people yesterday, if we see this in their post, even if they have clients, we're sorry, they have to be disaccredited with us. Why? We just want to be very compliant. This is, you know that Habitas is a consultancy company and we give advisory services to developers. And first thing that we ask them is to be compliant. Anyway, dun sa yung sa observation kanina ni Lorna about weaving, you see the Hinabi logo, you have the H here, but it is incorporated in the weave. So sa umpisa pa lang, you have that weaving there. So Hinabi means weaving, and reserve means something very special. It took time to build, to develop, and it is very rare. Okay, reserve is very rare. The location alone of Hinabi, the property is already very rare. Just like what I mentioned kanina, no? Yung lote pa lang, this one you should remember, and you should use this in your pitch all the time when you open. Property, maraming lupa, but it has to be very rare. Maraming beach properties, but this one is very rare. I'll prove it to you. We have over 10,000 beaches in the country since we have 7,641 islands. So in each island, of course, you have several beaches. We have over 10,000 beaches. However, if you ask anyone, maybe 9 out of 10, to name at least 5 na, or name any beach property or surfing beach property that they know, they can only name, maybe 9 out of 10 can only name 2. Maybe 6 out of 10 can name 3. Maybe 1 out of 10 can name 4. Okay. But at the most, 2 or 3. And one will be San Juan La Union and Siargao. But the thing is that right now, because of the high cost of transportation, the drivable leisure gets more popular. And that is proven dun sa Siargao, sa La Union natin, no? Drivable distance. You don't even have to fly there. Although last Tuesday we flew there, um, and it was a nice experience. Wala pang commercial flight doon, so puro private planes pa lang yung naglaland doon. It's a nice experience. No. So, dun pa lang rare na siya. Number two is, ano ang pinakasikat na mga sunsets? Of course, for those who have been, so Manila Bay has always been the postcard ng sunset natin. But then you have Boracay, and then also Siargao. But right now, if you see the sunset in San Juan, La Union, it is life changing, literally. Our sales director for the North Project, si Ezra, who's here, literal na life changing. When he saw that sunset while he was surfing, tapos na, pack up from Manila and then he moved to La Union. Same thing, we have our new in-house agent here, si JR. From being a top seller of two big developers na addict sa surfing and the sunset, move ngayon dun sa La Union. You will see, maybe you've seen several guests that we have here. We have dun sa video. There's this couple who lives in Essensa and Pacific Plaza, and after they got married, they moved to La Union and set up their business there, surfing every morning. So it's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle already. Incidentally, you will also see in the video, I don't know if you know them, the biggest developer in San Juan La Union right now was the tallest building project there. It's very nice. I actually invested there as well. And the biggest developer in Baguio, who also graced the occasion to support us. So, and you know what they said? Hindi na magagawa ito. It is going to be difficult. From Lema, it is going to be difficult to do another one like this, especially at this price. If somebody will do it, it's going to be very, very expensive. It is from these developers. So, we call it your sanctuary by the sea. Why? Sinabi ko na kanina yung sunset, surfing, beach, and the sanctuary. This is also one of the very rare beaches wherein I'll ask you, aside from Anvaya, ano pang beaches ang alam nyo na nagiging sanctuary ng mga marine turtles? They arrive here, they go to the shore every November and December to lay their eggs, and then bandang February, March, they release it right in front of our beach. Okay? Our beach is one of the most pristine. When turtles do that, when marine animals do that, that already describes the pristine, the healthiness of the health of your waters in front. Okay? So you have the sunset, the surfing. And you can view all of these from the deck. So from let's say November, December, January, February, March, you will not only see the sunset, but the surfing and the turtles right from your deck. Saan meron ganon? Saan pa meron ganon? Okay? That's why those 5 balconies, nga pala, 2 na lang. Those 2 balconies na natitira will provide you with the most glorious view. Those are the most unique balconies anywhere. Okay, so we'll have you can screenshot this one. Kung si Aya Hills, we have private amenities. We have private amenities lang, of course, aside from the what's this? The nature links. What we do with our amenities are always very carefully thought of. Hindi ito yung mga cheap na, let's say, a basketball, gym, multipurpose hall, because these are just spaces and they name it. This one are expensively constructed and provided na facilities. If sa Aya, wala tayong pool except for the private pool. This one, our DNA is having private pools in our units. Pero this one, meron kang 48 meter na main pool. Meron ka pang seaside na infinity lap pool. We have the beachfront amenities, of course, aside from surfing. We have your volleyball. And then we have a 2-story welcome hall function room. The function room that you will see here, pang ano yan, mga executive meetings, executive retreats or planning. This is not for staff planning because this is targeted really towards exclusive high-end market. This is a trophy asset ng mga taga La Union or maybe people from La Union. The recent LOI that we got from Hawaii is also a native of La Union. When she saw this, okay, I want to have my trophy asset there. So again, that was also a hint on where to find your market. We have a 4-story view deck. You will see later the gym, not just a gym with a view, and the indoor-outdoor lounges. We have our multi-level parking now 1:1. Okay? Right now, very, very few. Maybe you can count in one hand a developer who will provide you with 1:1 parking. Most developers will just do compliance with the National Building Code of maybe about 20% na provision. But then what happens pag peak season? Di ba? I told you na I have a condo there also in San Juan, La Union. And ngayon, meron pang parking dahil hindi pa na-turn over lahat ng unit. But what happens if fully occupied and peak season? So that's going to be a problem. This one, we have 1:1 parking, plus some for the visitors, plus extra dun sa commercial. Yung commercial area natin is also going to be different. Because in the entire La Union, especially in San Juan, you will see a lot of very popular commercial areas. Pero, problema, walang parking. Maybe sidewalk parking or street parking, but walang parking. This one, we have about 40 parking slots around the two commercial, especially the restaurants. No? There are 2 restaurants. We are now carefully selecting the brands and the type of food that we're going to welcome here. We want this to be a destination restaurant. This will be the first stop. This will be the stop of people traveling maybe all the way to La Union or midway going to Vegan. Because paglabas mo dun sa ongoing, kino-construct ngayon, na makikita mo dun yung exit ng bypass coming from T-Plex, diretso sa San Juan. We're less than 70 meters away from that exit. So paglabas mo ng T-Plex, ng bypass, you will see Hinabi, especially the weave. No? Another thing, wellness. Wellness is a $6.3 trillion industry worldwide. It's no longer for the baby boomers lang. The young people now are addicts in wellness. Wine sales, whiskey sales are down worldwide. Why? Because people are getting more into healthy living. Yung mga pubs, yung mga discos, mga clubs, medyo mas mababa na ang market nila compared to the gyms, high rocks, yogas, pilates, and other yung mga health clubs. So we are providing a wellness facility here to be run by the second biggest wellness facility operator in the country. And then total wellness and lifestyle. Hindi lang siya basta spa. The reason for this is that we are getting this high-end market who will be staying here for not just overnight na mga hindi lang mga nag-overnight, but then yung mga nagto 2 days, 3 days, 4-day retreats, no? Wellness retreats. Okay. And then features. The features you will see: covered drop-off, guarded entrance, 24 security, CCTV. The reason for that is that we're going to have the courtyard villas and the waterfront water court villas operated as Airbnb. We will operate it for your clients para they can also make money. Aside from having this trophy asset, they can also make money from it, generate income to subsidize, maybe to subsidize their monthly, or for our market, bihira naman kasi yung bihira yung nagbabank financing eh. For our market na at least they get something, they have their returns, no? Aside from enjoying the use of it. The difference is that we are going to have the Airbnb services with the hotel experience. Okay. From the arrival experience, we have that welcome drop-off, we have the reception, we have the golf cart too. We have the golf cart going around because you cannot walk around. You cannot just drive around. No? You go to your parking and then you'll be brought by your golf cart around the area. Okay. And then yung may mga dalang drivers and helpers, we have separate leasable rooms for them. So they don't have to join you dun sa room. Everything was carefully thought of. Now, why am I describing this to you without showing the slides? I want you to imagine this first in your minds and see if it matches the slides that I'll be showing you now. Okay. Incidentally, so the swells, according to our resident surfer, si Ezer Jan and JR, the swells come towards October, November until around March. No? And the whole year, you have very nice gentle waves where you can practice for beginners, pwede ka mag-practice ng surfing. Mornings, maganda daw. You can do that every morning, meron magagandang waves. And for beginners, you can start your trainings here. But the beach is good for the whole family. Okay. It is called the surfing capital of the North. The last the last SEA Games were held dito sa San Juan, La Union. Last January nagkaroon din ng longboard competition dito sa La Union, sa San Juan. This is the reason why we have our tayog, the deck, so that you can also watch the surfers. And these are the important points. You can mark this kung saan sila manggagaling na. From San Fernando, we stayed in San Fernando at the Thunderbird last Tuesday. Yes, 15 minutes lang, nandyan ka na. You see, from Rosario, pag natapos na tong T-Plex extension sa bypass, it's 45 minutes. Surfing spots. Of course, Thunderbird, walang surfing spot. Aureo, La Union, walang surfing spot. You have here sa Urbistondo and then the San Juan. Leisure dining. When we started, the reason why we fell in love with La Union is that in 2018, we started doing a study for a different a developer, a different developer. During that time, kay Jollibee wala. Kay Jollibee, it's, sabi nila, San Juan is only for budget backpackers, budget young people who wants to pay lang mga 1,000, 1,500 dun sa mga dorms, room sharing. But now, not anymore. You check out villas or Airbnbs dun sa La Union. I invite you to do that. The nice ones, you can see accommodation at 35, 50,000, 70,000, 100,000 per night. And you go there, before mga budget daw, barbecue and beer lang. Now you go there, the food is pang Michelin star, and the price is also pang Michelin star then. But very, very good food. The market is moving. Sabi nga, build and they will come. The market there is already high-end. SM City La Union opened last October 17. Whereas before, kay Jollibee, wala. You see, this is how Habitas sees things. Huh? We do not position ourselves in matured areas, but in emerging areas. This is what provides our buyers, your future buyers, the potential to earn, make more money, and yung upside nun, that is what they will be enjoying. Kesa huli ka na. Pag emerging pa lang, pag pauso pa lang, that is when you position. This is the difference between brokerage and project selling. In brokerage, you just service what the client wants. Ito, meron ako listing na ganito, match mo yan. In project selling, you have to be creative. You have to see, you have to know your market. You have to know that area because you have to create that need and you have to present to them the potential of their investment. Okay, this is the reason why not a lot of brokers are successful in project selling. This requires really creativity in marketing and also pitching to your clients. Okay, so very important also to appreciate this one because if you yourself will also be investing, you will appreciate this one. Now, if you like the Aya Hills, it was designed. We got the one of the only three architectural firms na nasa top 100 in the world. However, sabihin, why didn't you get Vision Arc for Hinabi? They said they're very nice, they're very good, especially also in master plan. So, however, we want somebody naman different here because this one, the lifestyle of these architects are really more into travel and also leisure and resorts. So we got the best architects that we can get now for resort style development. And we found, we've been working, when we were with different companies, we have been working with H1 already, way back 2005, from their first project in Rosas. We know them and they are very good in resort style development. They're also one of the top 10 in the country. This is the Suites at Gorordo, Cebu, which is half Ascot and then half residential. In 2016 to 2018, I was a top producer for this project in Cebu while I was based in Metro Manila and selling to the market in Japan. Very nice landmark project. And then the Enclave in Alabang. One Makati residence. You see, sa stairways pa lang, it's structural, it's sculptural. And yung structure, hindi boring na stairs. Each piece is an artwork. And then for the interiors, while we got Chat Forest before for Aya Hills, or the Founder's Nest, no? Si Chat is very good also with, she was the one who designed Trump, Milano, Versace, Armani, dun sa, and Rockwell, and was this Rockwell and other developers. Huh? But this one, kinuha natin yung expert din sa resort. So si PDP, led by Cathy Sardania, their specialty are resort projects. So they did yan, Shangri-La Boracay, the from the project ni Seda Leo sa Palawan and the Shangri-La Mactan, Cebu. So you will have an idea, mamaya makikita mo, there is that DNA of Shangri-La in our interiors. And incidentally, the water court and the waterfront villas, the courtyard villas will have fully furnished units. Rizal Park, Vertis North, also done by PDP. So there you see the weaving art. Two major industries there, weaving and pottery. So you will see this accents within the interiors of the project, all around the project. So this, merong strands yun, no, na wini-weave mo. The strand of wellness, because right now we are proud to say that we are one of the OGs now of wellness real estate. How recent or how often have you heard the term wellness real estate? After this talk, you can do a research on wellness real estate. Right now, all over the world, if your project doesn't have a wellness component, it will be lagging behind those offering that component. Now, of course, the strand of prestige. Sabi nga namin, this is meant to be a trophy asset. A trophy asset. Yes, you may have a billionaire living in Baguio or La Union or Vigan, and they want to show, they may have hundreds of hectares, but they need to show a shelf. Ito yung shelf nila where they have their trophies. Huh? And of course, a strand of ownership and investment. Being a proud owner is just one, but being a happy owner, making money from it, is what makes them smile. Okay. Now, we've learned something from Aya Hills. Intentionally, we did Aya na ano lang na TCT. TCT, we want organic growth. But for La Union, we realize that the visitors, the guests of La Union, also has a lot of foreigners. This is the reason why we decided to make the ownership here covered by a CCT title, a CCT ownership. So foreigners can own this one. Foreigners can own a unit or units for investment or enjoyment dito sa Hinabi, kahit na horizontal yun development, which gives them best of both worlds. Okay. People don't realize this. The beauty of a CCT is very much magnified. If, for example, you compare the size of the common areas, the lot, and the number of units sharing them, we can have a separate training for that. But just to give you a summary of that, imagine I have a unit at Knightsbridge. It stands on a 1,300 square meter lot. 1,300 square meter lot. CCT. Ilang units kami doon? 1,300. Okay. And then you also have a proportionate share of the common areas, including the land. So 1,300 units kayo, one bedroom lang yung sa akin doon. So of course, mas maliit kaysa doon sa mga 3BRs. Imagine kung ilang inches na lang siguro yung ownership ko doon. No? However, this one, 1.5 hectares, developed, landscaped, beautified na areas, na common areas, like the pool, the infinity pool, to be shared by 77 unit owners. Mas malaki pa yung ownership mo dun sa common areas kaysa dun sa tinatayuan ng property mo. Okay. So strand of community. We want of community of the same level, same status. This is what your market, your upscale market wants to have. Hindi to yung pang, sir, 12,000 a month, sir, 15,000 a month. This one, you want that kind of neighborhood. And then, of course, it works for you because we don't do that kind of payment terms. So for you, that means commission after 30 days. Okay. Now, strand of leisure and joy. We have hyper amenitized this ng amenities, both na man-made and nature, by nature. So a lot of people can provide those pools, those gyms, those spas, those jacuzzis, maybe beach. Pero hindi nila kayang gumawa ng sunset. Hindi nila kayang gumawa ng surfing waves. Hindi nila kayang gumawa ng mga turtles. That one makes your property, your offering very different. And of course, a strand of exclusivity. Okay, hindi to 500, hindi to 1,000 units, 77 lang. And maybe half of them will not be renting it out. Half of them will be maybe the villas, and they will be using it. We have the villas na pwede nilang gamitin and enjoy the facilities, amenities, and the wellness. So, ito yun. Kaya sinasabi lang, with the prices now of the lots, the beach lots in La Union, it is going to be very, very, very difficult to do a horizontal project again and offer it at this low price. The one I got before na condo na is already at 283,000 per square. Condo na yan room. Wala pang parking. So, high rise. So if anybody is going to put up something here, it's either they put up a condo or put up a very, very expensive villa. Okay. You can also imagine here, you can appreciate here the open space that we have from the road driveways. Dito sa left, upper left, there's this parking building. So pagpasok ng mga kotse niyo dito, drop off, and then diretso sa parking building, and then iikot na lang sila ng golf cart natin. Dito sa may cursor, this will be the wellness facility. This will be the tile. The view deck. Okay. The view deck, 4 levels high. Each level is a stop. Hindi ito tuloy-tuloy na maghahagdanan ka lang. Each level will make you stop. Either the one facing the beach or facing the pool. This is a destination place. Okay? Now, you will see here on your lower right, ito yung highway sa lower corner, and these are the two restaurants. The two restaurants, and in between, you have the very generous parking lot. Ang term dito ng isang architect ni Palafox, dito mo sila hold up. And when people see parking lots, they see convenience and safety. Okay, dito na lang tayo kumain. Mas madali. Or dito meeting place. Okay. Yung kung saan nyo nakita kanina yung event ng blessing, that's where this 5 seafront villas are standing. So eventually we'll knock it down and then to give way to these 5 structures. Ito existing tong mga bahay na nandito sa left. That's a beach. Elevated din siya. You'll see the riprap walls here. And then, so, ang high tide is halfway dito. Hindi siya maabot dyan. But we have, This was just done for safety. Now, to give you an idea kung may view, si JR, yung tanong ni JR, to give you an idea kung may view yung villas dun sa likod, ito yung sinasabi ko, meron lang mga puno dito. There will be some villas na hindi nahaharangan. But these are very low trees naman and houses. Okay, this is the map. Ano oras ba? It's 9:58. Salubong Hall is the reception area. Okay. We'll have the super, super nice facade. This is the most imposing facade you'll have in San Juan. So it's a blend between, it's a blend of Florida and Bali. Yung 48-meter pool natin, 2 strokes na lang, Olympic size na yan eh. But we want, kung ginawa lang natin simpleng pool, it's much, much, much cheaper. But we wanted to give it a character. So, on the side, on the ends, meron kang deck, yung lounge, and then the islands. So, you have that paradise feeling. We'll have a reception area, concierge, which is not what's this? Offered sa mga regular Airbnb. There's a pool. I like these units na nandito sa side. Corner units are good, but then itong nasa side units are also very nice. In short, walang units na tapon dito. You see this really grand, four-level view deck. We have a nomad's place there. We have strong Wi-Fi so that you're working, enjoying the view, kahit nasa beach or nasa pool, nakaharap. And then a juice bar, and then the gym, and then the workout area. So that's your view deck. Either way, nakaharap ka sa bundok o sa beach, you have fantastic view. So from the villas to the seafront, meron tayong what's this? The parang meditation walk mo. From the villas, you have this nice meditation walk park. And then you go to on your way to the beach. Going to the beach. Hindi pa lang na ano to? Once we finish our construction, tsaka natin i-kukumbi ang beach na yan. The weave, this is going to be the landmark commercial in San Juan, La Union. Mark my word. And this is going to be where people will be meeting, where people will be doing their halfway meets or halfway stops. And this will be done ahead. This will be done completed next year na. Since we don't need the license to sell for this one, because we'll build the structure and we will already rent it out. We're in the process now of evaluating the offers to lease this one from the major restaurant groups. More on the high-end restaurant groups. Now, for the wellness, it will be run by Nurture Wellness Villas na nandun sa Tagaytay ngayon. They have one in Baguio, Tagaytay, and this one. It will be run by Nurture Wellness. Si Kathy Brillantes Turville, the owner, is also the president of the Wellness Association of the country, and a ano to, a very popular figure in the social scene. Pag buyer owner ka dito, meron kang membership privileges. Ito na yung mga villas. Okay. Water court, bibilisan natin. The water court, yung pinaka directly accessible dun sa big pool. These are the water court villas. Ito yung likod nila. You have a porch there, and then may direct access ka papunta dito sa pool. This is the reason why I like this mid villas. No? Paglabas mo, nandyan ka na, para ka may extension ng garden mo sa harap. There you are. So in short, walang sasakyan na dumadaan dyan. Dito rin, only by foot lang yan. Yun dun sa paligid, sa perimeter, dun yung golf carts. Water court villas. It's 65 square meter, fully furnished. Fully furnished by PDP Architects. Yung sinasabi ko nag-design ng Shangri-La. This is the reason why it looks like this. The units will be delivered with this type of furnishings. Parang hotel na talaga. Hindi to yung iba kasi na developer, when they say fully furnished, bibili lang dun sa SM na meron kang table, may bedding ka dyan, Salem bed, merong maliit na frame, merong kitchen, may toaster. I mean, that's fully furnished. This is how Habitas defines fully furnished. Ready to operate na yan. Because we will be operating it. It's very expensive, very, very expensive to furnish it this way. The courtyard, yung nandun sa katapat naman ng water court, no? So, although wala siyang direct access sa pool, meron naman siyang sariling private pool, also 65 square meters, fully furnished then, with a deck, with a lawn, and a lanai. So for their private gatherings. Now, for those naman, we are expecting those, especially from the area, although one of our buyers, hindi nga taga din sa area, but bought the bigger unit. They want the bigger villas, especially the retirees now who want to stay there and enjoy the facilities and the amenities and the community. The Hinabi Villas, 143 square meters. Meron din siyang private pool and then optional yung furnishing. Because people who will be buying this one want their personal taste. But of course, we have this. Kung gusto nila furnished, pwede rin, we can give them the code by the interior designer. You will appreciate this pag nagpunta kayo dun sa site. We have the very nice scale models na when you press, tumataas yung roof niya, so you will see what's inside. I think you saw that sa video kanina. The reserve villas, yung nandun sa dulo. These are the rarest jewels of the villa collection. Nasa dulo, if they want bigger space, bigger trophies, corner units, dalawa lang yan. Okay, mas malapad and mas spacious siya. the north and the south villa. Again, furnishing is optional. Personally, I like this. I like this for use. I mean, the villas than the seafront. Okay. Ito naman, seafront villas. We only have 5 units ng seafront villas. Nga pala, dalawa na lang ng seafront villas. So, ito yung mga hindi mo na mapigilan ng mga buyers. Ay, okay. Because they know it's only 5. Okay, I want that. Yung balcony pa lang nito is worth the whole price na. Balcony pa lang. Because this is incomparable with any other projects. I would say maybe in the Philippines. But dito, San Juan, definitely. Okay. Seafront Villas, 154 square. Again, optional yung furnishing. Parking nila diretso dun sa harap. May direct access sila dun sa parking in front. Of course, meron din private pool. You've noticed that sa Habitas, ang DNA natin parati may private pool. Okay, map. Now, you will see here, price range. We don't have the price list, but you'll have an idea how much it will be priced at when we offer this. Water court ranges from 20.4, basta nasa 20 to 21. Ayun your lot size, courtyard villas, Dainabi villas, the reserve villas. Once we have the final price, we'll send it. Once we are open for selling, we'll send it. So at least if they want to submit an LOI, you can tell them it is fully refundable if we'll return their their LOIs once na, if for example lumabas na yung actual price and they don't, you call them, sabi mo, oh ma'am, go no go. If they say okay, no go, okay, refund. If they say go, ito yung price, okay, sige. The thing is that they just want to take advantage of so this will be the price, but for the first 20 clients, owners that we have, they can avail of the 20% discount. Now, when we start accepting. Okay, so from this price, less 20. You see, wala kang tapo na units eh. Yung nasa corner units, yung 2 corner, kunyari, sa north, 11, 12, 1 and 2, parang corner. Okay? From 10 to, ako gusto ko dito yung between 8 to 5. 8 to 5, yung units 8 to 5, whether north or south, ganda ng view mo. Left to right. And from your lanay. Seafront villas, yan. 50 to 55. Surprisingly, yung seafront villas pa ang nauunang nakukuha. We should have made more seafront villas. Okay. Ownership, CCT. We provide property management and unit management to operate their units. These are the people behind. I think you know most of them. Okay, so this is also the consultancy company of Habitus is from one to myself, Jonathan, Erwin, and Dave Rafael. For Habitus Developments, now for Habitus Properties, we have added Robin Carlson, who used to work for the biggest developer in Europe. So it's a CIO, and then Michael Tan, the son of Lucio Tan, former president of the Lucio Tan Group, but still president of the Asia Brewery, and sits on the board of PNB, Philippine Airlines, Philip Morris Philippines. So these are the thoughts, the minds that go into each project that we have sa Habitus Properties. Okay, it's Barangay Tabok. We are going to place Barangay Tabok in the map, in the tourism map. Okay, so how would you like it? Okay. May question dito, how could we be accredited to sell the project? Nandito si Ezer Gorospe. Tignan niyo si Ezer Gorospe here. Yan. He is, Ezer, please give us your contact details. He is the sales director for the North projects uh, of Habitas. Ano na yan eh? Immigrant dun sa immigrant na yan dyan sa LU. Hindi sa LA, sa LU. So it's based there already. And naawa nga ako dyan dahil naitapon dyan sa lugar na yan na nandun lang sa lounge. Nandun lang sa lounge yung office niya, malayo sa Kabiasnan. Kaya wala siya magawa doon kundi mag-surf, mag-lounge, ano doon, mag-enjoy ng breeze sa ilalim ng puno. Or minsan, nandun natutulog sa hammock habang nagko-follow sa inyo. Siguro yung mga ibang, pag may mga agents pwedeng parusahan siguro, ididestino natin dun sa ano. Destino natin sa site. Okay. You go there, if I were you, you plan your family vacation dun sa La Union, spend a night or two. There are a lot of, you want the expensive villas, meron dun. You want to have budget accommodations, meron din. Kung may, what's this, kung kayo lang, and then, spend the day dun, especially either in the morning or mas maganda banda mga 4 or 5 dun kayo sa site, under the tree, under our garden lounge or the hammock. Pwede kayo mag-surf. Oh, you can use a surf doon na. We have a surfboard there. You can use it and then you can use that for your contents sa video. Hindi lang siya pang display, no? We have one longboard, very nice longboard, and we're having a couple more surfboards dun sa site. Again, it's a very different experience. Oh, incidentally, yung makakabenta ngayon, May, ng Aya Hills, we will have an all expense paid tour to Aya Hills. Susundin kayo, ihatid kayo ng van going sa La Union, accommodations, meals, free surfing lessons for two. Okay. Incidentally, next week um, we're going to have an open house Aya Hills. Sino sa inyo ang nagmamanifest magkaroon ng electric vehicle? Raise your hands. Sino sa inyo nagmamanifest ng magkaroon ng meron ka na milya eh. Kakabili mo lang eh. Okay? Yung mga gustong mag-manifest. You see, when you manifest, what you do is to really, hindi yung gusto ko lang magkaroon ng kotse. Doesn't work. Sabi mo, gusto ko magkaroon ng kotse. Anong kotse? Anong kulay? You go there, you drive it, you test drive, and you take photos of yourself, you take videos of yourself, and look at it every day. And lagyan mo ng deadline kung kailan. Now, we will help you do that. We have partnered with BDO and BYD next week to join us dun sa open house. So we will be bringing several BYD cars dun sa Aya Hills, and then BDO will be there. So if I were you, either you ano mo na, dual purpose mo na. You bring your clients to Aya, close them there, and then nandun na rin si BYD, mag-test drive ka na or mag-manifest ka na, and then mag-apply ka na rin kay BDO para pag-release ng commission mo from Aya, nandun na yung application mo with BDO, meron ka ng BYD. BYD is fantastic. BYD is, I mean, whatever they say, I'm happy with my BYD, both the Sea Lion and the Tan. Sobrang lakas. Okay? So, and wala ka nang pakialam sa gasolina ngayon. Okay, so, anyway, any questions? I'll send you the invites for Aya Hills then. So you contact Ezra for your accreditation. Questions? Anna, do you have any announcements?
None na po, sir.
Anna, kailan ka pupunta dun sa Aya? Ay, sa Hinabi?
Soon po.
Sige. Okay. What's this? Oh, by the way, I'd like to thank all those, all the people from KW who joined the Red Day last Saturday. It was a very, very good learning experience to be thankful and to be appreciative of what we have. When we saw the kids there, mapapasalamat, imbis na of course, naawa ka. But then, another way of looking at it is to be thankful of what we have. Kung gaano tayo ka-blessed. Sometimes puro tayo complain. When you go there, you don't have any right to complain. Okay. So, those who still want to help that, you go to Cotalengo. And learn more about it. Okay, so with that, thank you very much. And watch out for the next 2 Mondays. We'll be bringing very, very important guests. Oh, picture today. Come on.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.